Hello student, good morning to all of you. How you all are? I hope you all are good. Okay, now today's lecture in account standard 12 and chapter number 1 introduction to partnership. Okay, in the previous lecture we are discussed about the provision of interest on capital of partners in different circumstances arise in the firm. If there is a no provision, then what we are doing about the interest on capital? Okay, if there is a profit and if there is a provision made, so what and how we are charged interest on capital? Okay, how we are paid the interest on capital to partners. If there is a must about the interest on capital paid to partners, if they either profit or loss, so how we are paid interest on capital. So some examples we are discussing here and solving this example about the interest on capital, and we are solving how it's paid the interest on capital to partners. So some questions I read and show to you what the question about the interest on capital in different circumstances. Now here question you can see in your screen. A and B are partner sharing profit and loss in the proportion of 4:1. Okay, so here profit and loss proportion is 4:1. Their capital as on 1/4/2016 is 4 lakh and 2 lakh respectively. Means partners A introduce capital 4 lakh and partner B introduce capital 2 lakh. Okay, so here prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, or profit and loss about account whichever is necessary for the year ending 31/3/2017 under the following provision pertaining to interest on capital if prescribed in the partnership deed. Okay, so here there is a 5 circumstances are here for income interest on capital. Then we are prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, now here if a firm has a profit for the year rupees 40,000 and no provision is made for interest on capital in part. Here it is said that here interest on capital on partnership deed there is no डिस्क्राइबिंग. ओके, यहाँ पे जो बात की कि इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं बोला है पार्टनरशिप डीड में. सो तब उसकी प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट में उसकी क्या एंट्री होगी. ओके, और हम किस तरह से प्रिपेयर करेंगे प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट. ओके, नाउ सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज इफ अ फर्म हैज़ अ प्रॉफिट फॉर द ईयर रुपीज़ 80,000. ओके, and 10% per annum interest on capital is payable as per the provision of partnership deed. Here among the partners are decide 10% interest on capital given by the business. Okay, as per annum 10%. So here what will be the entry? So this is second circumstance. Now third is if a firm has a profit for the year rupees 30,000 and 10% interest on capital is payable as per the provision of partnership deed. Okay, so how we are doing interest on capital? we are given or not. Okay, if a firm has a profit for the year rupees 30,000. Okay, now here in this third and fourth there is a change. Okay, interest on capital is payable and interest on capital is considered as charge as per the provision of partnership deed. Either you have a profit, either you have a loss, you must give interest on capital to partners. Okay, if fifth is, if a firm has a loss for the year 10,000, okay, and a 10% per annum interest on capital is payable and interest on capital is considered as charges per the provision of partnership deed. Here also you have a profit or loss, you must give interest on capital to partners. Okay, at the end of the year, and we prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Now I am going on a board and we are solving about these types of questions. Okay. Now here first question is, if a firm has a profit for the year rupees 40,000 and no provision made for interest on capital. Okay, so what we are doing about the interest on capital? So according to Indian Partnership Act 1932, if there is no provision made among the partners about interest on capital, so here business and firm not give interest on capital to partners. So here if no provision made for interest on capital, so it not be charged according to Indian Partnership Act 1932. Okay. Now here we are prepared profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31/3/2017. In the statement in account, this line required must written down. Okay. Now here in this side is debit side and this is credit side. So here net profit is 40,000. Okay. Here interest on capital we written down in a debit side on profit and loss appropriation account because it is expense of the business and income for the partner. But here in the provision in a partnership deed there is a no requirement, there is a no decided about the interest on capital charge. So we are not given interest on capital to partners. So this 40,000 totaling here and this 40,000 net profit is a divisible profit and we distribute the profit among the partners A and B. The ratio is 4:1. Okay, so here 2 divisible profit and transfer into the partnership capital or current account according to the fluctuating method or fixed capital method. Okay, so A and B ratio is 4:1. So यहाँ पे आपको सॉल्यूशन करके बताना जरूरी है. सॉल्यूशन इज profit distribution. Okay, for A 40,000 total 4/5. Okay, so here यहाँ पे जो आएगा आंसर वो आपको दिया जाएगा. और for B 40,000 So for A 32,000 of profit and for B 8,000 is a profit. Okay. I hope this is clear to all of you. Okay. So how this is we are treatment of the profit and loss appropriation account. Now second is, if a firm has a profit for the year 80,000 and 10% per annum interest on capital is payable as per the provision of पार्टनरशिप डीड। इसमें क्या कहा गया है कि अगर आपको प्रॉफिट है तो आपको 10% इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल पे करना है। यहाँ पे जो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको ज़रूरी ही इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल पे करना होगा। ओके, इफ़ यू हैव प्रॉफिट सो यू कैन गिव इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल। इफ़ यू नॉट हैव तो जितना भी आपके पास प्रॉफिट है उतना आप दे सकते हो, पर अगर लॉस हुआ तो आप इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल नहीं दोगे। ओके, सो यहाँ पे कंपल्सरी नहीं है इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, इट मस्ट बी चार्ज टू पार्टनर्स। ओके, तो यहाँ पे हम इसकी एंट्री किस टाइप से करेंगे वो देखते हैं। Now here interest on capital, interest on capital. Okay, so here 4 lakh and 2 lakh is capital of A and B, so we are interest on it. So for A 4 lakh पे कितना परसेंट बोला है? 10%. Okay, so we are charged 10% only. So 40,000 we are paying to partner A, and for B is 2 lakh. Okay, so here 10% for B also, 20,000 for B interest on capital paid to the partner B. So here net profit is, मैं शॉर्ट में लिख रही हूँ पर आपको पूरा लिखना होगा, नेट प्रॉफिट ट्रांसफर्ड फ्रॉम प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट। ओके, नाउ हियर 80,000 इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल इज एक्सपेंसेस, तो ये कहाँ पे आएगा? डेबिट साइड पे। सो हियर टू इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल। ओके, फॉर ए कितना है? 40,000, ये आपको अंदर की साइड में लिखना है, एंड फॉर बी 20,000। सो टोटल कितना हुआ? 60। तो पहले हम चेक करेंगे कि यस हम उन्हें इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल पे कर सकते हैं या नहीं। तो यस वी आर पे टू इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल। ओके, नाउ हियर कौन सी साइड में ज़्यादा है? इट इज वी कैन सी हियर लायबिलिटी क्रेडिट साइड में ज़्यादा अमाउंट है। सो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट। अगर यहाँ पे 90,000 होता तो क्या होता? डिविजिबल लॉस होता। ओके, सो हियर 80,000 इज मोर, टोटल इज 80,000 and 20,000 is your profit. So we are distributing this profit to partners. The ratio is 4:1. Okay. Now to divisible profit. For A and for B. So here the solution about the divisible profit. For A 20,000, 4/5, so 16,000 is your answer. Means we distribute profit for partner A 16,000 and for B 20,000 into 1/5. So here 4,000. Okay. कुछ बच्चे बोल रहे हैं कि मैम ये 5 कैसे आया? तो 4 ज़ेम 5, सॉरी 4 ज़ेम 1, तो 4 + 5 इज इक्वल टू 4 + 1 इज इक्वल टू 5। तो 5 टोटल है और यहाँ पे हमारे प्रॉफिट भी टोटल कितना है? 20,000। सो हियर जब 5 20,000 मल्टीप्लाई 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 5. ओके, यहाँ पे भी इस तरह से 5 टोटल है, 20,000 हमारा क्या है, प्रॉफिट है. इस 5 में से हम बी को कितना दे रहे हैं, 1 दे रहे हैं. ओके, तो इस 20,000 में से कितना, सो 20,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 5. दिस इज हाउ इनके वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग हियर 16,000 and 4,000. So this 60,000 and 4,000 transfer into partners capital account and partners current account. Now we are going to the next 3 remaining questions. Okay, so you can write down this first and second questions. Okay, and take a screenshot of it. Now we are going in third question and fourth question of different circumstances and provision on interest on capital. Okay, now third is, if a firm has a profit for the rupees 30,000, okay, and interest on capital is 10%. So now how we are preparing profit and loss appropriation account. Interest on capital is payable is per the provision of partnership deed. Means यहाँ पे हमें interest on capital 10% पे करना है, but it is not must charge. Okay, now here 30,000 it is your profit, so I am written down here by net profit is 30,000. Okay, now here from profit and loss account we have 30,000 profit, but interest on capital for A and B is 40,000 and 20,000. Okay, so here it is a shortage of profit for providing given to interest on capital to partners. So what we are doing, it is not must, but here जितना हमारे पास प्रॉफिट है उतना हम उन्हें इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल पे करेंगे. ओके, सो बट किस प्रोपोर्शन में, द प्रोपोर्शन इज हियर 40,000 and 20,000. 4 them 2 means 2 them 1. इस प्रोपोर्शन में इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल प्रोपोर्शन रेट में हम क्या करेंगे, प्रॉफिट जो है उससे हम इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल पे करेंगे. ओके, सो हियर इंटरेस्ट on capital for A 30,000 and ratio is 3/4. Okay, now sorry 2/1 means 2/3. Okay, so here 20,000. Okay, and for B 30,000 1/3 means here interest on a capital for B is 10,000. It is not must to pay full amount of interest on capital. According to we are given profit as per profit, जितना हमारे पास प्रॉफिट है उतना हम इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल देंगे, बट किस प्रोपोर्शन रेट पे, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल के प्रोपोर्शन रेट पे. ओके, नाउ 20,000 10,000 it is expense, so we are written down here to interest on capital. मैं शॉर्ट में लिख रही हूँ, आपको पूरा लिखना है बिकॉज सम शॉर्टेज ऑफ स्पेस. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट here. Now for A and for B, for A and for B 20,000 and 10,000. Okay, so here 30,000. So here you can see 30,000 debit side credit side are equal, so there is a no profit and no loss in this firm. Okay, I hope this is clear to all of you. Now we are going next question, question number 4. If firm has a profit 30,000 and interest on capital 10%, it is payable, and interest on capital considered as a charge as per the provision of partnership deed. So here we have a profit 30,000. Okay, and interest on capital 40,000 and 30,000 is remaining same in all the question. Okay, so we are given as per the rule कि ये आपको देने ही है. So it is written down in debit side of profit and loss appropriation account, interest on capital account A and B 40,000 and 20,000, here 60,000. Okay, and you can see here total of debit side is more than the credit side. So 60,000 is total. Okay, and here remaining is 30,000, that is our loss. So in these circumstances, if net profit is decreasing it is less than the interest on capital and it is must be charged, so it is a create divisible loss in the partnership firm. So it is a divisible loss here occur. In these circumstances प्रॉफिट जितना है उतना हमने कैपिटल दिया, तो यहाँ पे ना प्रॉफिट राइज हुआ ना लॉस, बट इट इज मस्ट टू चार्ज द इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल टू पार्टनर्स, सो इट इज अकर डिविजिबल लॉस. एंड फॉर ए एंड फॉर बी वी आर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन अ 4:1 प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस रेशियो 4:1. सो हियर डिविजिबल loss for A 30,000. Okay, so 4 upon 5 6 4 24,000 it's your answer. And for B 30,000 1 upon 5, so 5 6 means 6,000 it's your loss. Means A bear the loss 24,000 and B bear the loss 6,000. Okay, so it is transferring in the partner's capital account or current account as per the given in the problems. I hope these two questions you are clear very well. Now we are going in next 5th questions. There is a loss of 10,000. I am roughing this. If you want to take the screenshot of it, you can. Okay. So here there is a loss. Okay. Here I am roughing this. Here there is a loss of 10,000. So here to net loss from the profit and loss account, इस तरह से आपको पूरा लिखना है 10,000. Okay, now here it is must charge interest on capital to partners. So to interest on capital for A and for B 40,000 and 20,000 means here 60,000. Now here there is no income and no profit in our profit and loss appropriation account. So here is a total is 70,000. So this is 70,000 is the total loss for the firm and it is bear by the partners. So here by divisible loss A and B distributed among them, the ratio is 4:1. 70,000. Okay, now here for A and for B we are written down divisible loss. Okay, so here 70,000 4 upon 5 डिवाइड करेंगे 14,000 into 4 that is 54,000. Okay, now here for B loss, and according ratio 1/5, 16,000 were lost by the B, partner B. So here 54,000 for A and 16,000 for B. This is loss transfer into partner's capital account or a current account according to the given method to prepare partner's capital account. This is be clear about the interest on capital in different circumstances. So we are calculated like this. Okay. So इस तरह से आपको प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट प्रिपेयर होता है. Okay. I hope this is clear to all of you. Okay. Now we are going in the next lecture and we are discussing new topic. Okay, about the drawings and about interest on capital, profit and loss. Okay. Thank you so much.